This is Bruce for Ola Prime, taking a look at Bitcoin, the pound dollar, and the S&P 500 index, starting with Bitcoin. So we were looking at this potential breakout previously of this orange 50 moving average, which defined resistance for this corrective decline. We got a breakout yesterday, follow through today, and now there's a breakout above the 200 moving average, confirming strength, plus a breakout above the 50% retracement, plus a breakout above this previous lower swing high, which is more significant than the others, in addition to the 200. And the rally continues. So it looks like the first target here on an ABCD pattern is 95,105 or so. The 61% retracement is around 96,050. So those are the next initial target. Support watch around the 200 moving average, currently at 88,374. Moving on to the pound dollar. The pound dollar has been aggressively rallying, and you see it's been hitting the top of this extended parallel trend channel, and now we have a bearish reversal as a breakdown below yesterday's low triggered, and a test of these previous minor resistance becomes support, and potentially now, but this is likely a good chance there's going to be more of a pullback, so any type of rallies into resistance are going to be used by many market participants, likely, I'm estimating, to get out of long positions and get into short positions to take advantage of the first target low, which is looks like around the 38.2% retracement at 1.3151. And then finally, we have the S&P 500. Now that we might have a higher swing low here, there's a potential for an ABCD pattern. The initial target on that is up at 5,726, but of course, there's a lot of potential resistance that has to be broken through first if that is going to play out. Specifically, the 20 moving average is next at 5,404.05 or so. That is the key area. If that could be reclaimed and stay above it, then there's a chance for the S&P to go higher. All right, and then you can see that we had a nice rally off the 61.8% pullback here on the first pullback after a very sharp decline of 21.4% as of the high up here. Of course, that's going to start to change on a rally, or I should say a rally, on a drop below today's low, which is 5,208. So that's near-term support. If there's a drop below there, this higher swing low may be tested and maybe it doesn't hold. Keep in mind that we're in a clear downtrend in the S&P with resistance at the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average orange and the downtrend lines as well as some horizontal levels. So we'll keep an eye out for what happens next. But right now, it looks like the buyers are back in charge for today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. All right, that is it. Traders, have a great week.